Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I would like to guide you for basic information about staircase. As you can see guys, in this diagram, this is for dogleg stair, okay? Where you can see this is a ground level for this stair, and you can see the first landing is to the height of 8 feet and the other one is to the height of 4 feet. So the total height is here, if you see 12 feet. Okay, so let me guide you for basic information. If you are new on this channel, so you may like this video and subscribe the channel for new civil engineering updates. The first one guys, the angle of staircase is very important for you people to know about this. Otherwise you will face more problems, especially if this is a residential building or commercial building. As you can see from the ground level to the pitch, this angle you should know about this. This angle should not be more than 25 angle to 40 degree, or you can say 25 to 40 degree. Between this it should be better. So here in this case where we have the riser is here. What is riser guys? You can see this one is a riser, this one, and this one is straight. Okay, so this is straight, so the trade should not be less than 9 inches. Okay, but I am recommending you normally use the trade 10 inches. Okay, and the riser should not be more than 7 inches. In this case 7 by 10 inches, so 10 inches straight and the riser is 7 inches. In this case you can take about 32 degrees. So this is the best staircase. Okay, so now let me guide you for some basic information. The first one is angle of stair. So how you can find the total, if you see this is the landing, this is a landing. Okay, so this is the first flight, and this is second flight. Okay, we have 2 flights here because this is dogleg stair. So therefore remember guys, to find the total numbers of riser. Okay, so how to find total numbers of riser? How to find total numbers of a riser? What is riser? As I discussed before, this is riser, this one is riser, this is riser. Okay, these are risers. So you can use the formula, okay, height divided by a riser plus 1, you will get the total numbers of riser. Height, what is height? It means height of riser, total height. Okay, this is the total height. So or you can say height of landing, you can say height of landing. So the height of landing is here 8 feet. Okay, so you can say normally, for example, 8 feet. So 8 feet, so right here 8 feet. Okay, and the riser height is, for example, 6 inches. If this is 6 inches, so in feet this is 0.5 feet. Okay, so right here 0.5 feet, so it means we required 16 numbers plus 1. This is for the 6 inches. Okay, so we required 17 numbers of riser to the height of 8 feet. This is 8 feet, and the landing thickness should not be less than 4 inches. It should not be less than this. So this is the formula. So how you can find the total? So this is a riser. How to find the total numbers of riser? So how to find the trade? Okay, so a riser minus 1, you will find the trade. Okay, so riser is 17 numbers, so 17 minus 1, so we required 16 numbers. This is for what? This is for the riser. Next guys, remember, this is very important for you people to know about this waist. Okay, so the waist thickness should not be less than 3 inches. This is for the waist, and the other one same you can find because this is 4 feet. So for the 4 feet divided by 6 inches. Okay, or 0.5 feet, you can say 8 numbers more. So 8 numbers plus 17 numbers, so this is about 23 numbers. So to the height of 12 feet, to the height of 12 feet we require 23 stairs. Okay, riser. Okay, so therefore this is very important. So, sorry, 25. Okay, so because this is 8 feet, so therefore plus 1 we have here. Next one is guys also very important. You should know about that, especially for the stair. So use minimum 12 millimeter die of steel rod with the spacing of 6 inches center to center. So as you can see guys, let me make a steel reinforcement. So this is steel reinforcement, this one. Okay, so these are steel bars. So this is in the section. Okay, so don't use less than 12 millimeter of steel rods with the spacing of 6 inches, same like this. Okay, and the waist thickness should be minimum 3 inches. Okay, and also extra steel rods are very important at the distance of L/4. Here extra steel rods, and also here starting and at the ending, at the middle, if you don't provide, so no problem. Okay, this is very important for you people to know about these common things which I've discussed the front of you, especially for the staircase. Okay, hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.